Hello everyone, welcome back to Zotero section part 1. Today I am going to show how to install the Zotero software. By the end of this video, you will have Zotero software running perfectly in your system or laptop. If you new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Step 1. Open your web browser. After that you can type Zotero download. So directly go to our official page. So you can click the download Zotero. So here the Zotero 6 for Windows, you can click the download button. Now Zotero software is downloading. Once successfully downloaded, after that you can go to our file location, that is our install page. Now extracting. Once extracting completed, after that you can install the Zotero software in your desktop. So click next, and click install. Now installing. Yeah, finished. Successfully we have installed Zotero software. Once installed, after that you go to check the Zotero official page. Yeah, it is working perfect. So now install to Chrome connector. Click the install Chrome connector button. Yeah, now click the add to Chrome and click the add extension. So now one file is downloaded. So now add Zotero successfully to the Chrome. Now you go to check your Word document. Zotero will show. Stay updating with our latest tutorials, and if you find the video helpful,